So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can use screen time to limit app usage on iPhone. So first of all, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now you scroll down and tap on screen time. Now here you will see this option called App and Website Activity. Tap on it. After this, tap on Turn on App and Website Activity. Now this will enable screen time for the iPhone. Now once you do this, tap on App Limits and now tap on Add Limit. Now from here, you can select the app. For example, let's go for social. Now this will show you all the social media apps. For example, we have Snapchat, LinkedIn, X, Instagram, etc. Now let's say I want to limit app usage for Instagram. So I will select Instagram and then tap on Next. Now after this, you can set the time limit. For example, I want to use the app for 0 hour and let's say 30 minutes. Now this will set a 30-minute limit for every day. Not only this, but you can also customize days. For this, tap on Customize Days and now you can set custom time limit for all the days of the week. Now once you do this, go back and now tap on Add. Now once you do this, this will set the app limit. In a similar way, you can limit app usage of all the other apps. So this is how I can use screen time to limit app usage on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.